How to get rid of corns on toes. Corns typically appear as hard, round, and dry skin at the top or side of the feet. Normally, they occur around the top or bottom of toes because of friction or pressure. They aren't just unsightly, they could also be painful. While it isn't a disease, it's important to address it because it could cause pain due to skin inflammation. It could also become infected from within and will only be obvious when there's redness, swelling, or even the presence of pus. Getting a professional to remove corns usually involves taking a scalpel and shaving it off. That could be painful and expensive. What's worse is that your corns will likely reappear after a certain period, and you'll have to go through the same procedure again. Luckily, there are easy ways to get rid of corns on toes, and this is something you can do at home. Step 1. Soak your feet. Using warm water in a small tub, soak your feet for at least 10 minutes. This will help soften your feet and prep them for filing. It will also help you get rid of all the accumulated dead skin around your feet. Plain warm water should be enough to achieve this, but if you prefer, you can add a tablespoon of Epsom salt and 5 drops of lavender essential oil for the added benefit of relaxation. Step 2. File your corns. Using a foot file or pumice stone, gently file your corns while they're still softened from the soak. Depending on how thick your corns have gotten, don't expect to get rid of them right away. If you file too aggressively, you might cause some bleeding, which might later lead to an infection. Your goal at this point is simply to lessen the thickness and not to get rid of them completely. Step 3. Apply a salicylic acid plaster. According to a study published by the Journal of Foot and Ankle Research in 2013, the use of plasters with salicylic acid is more effective in getting rid of corns than the clinical procedure of shaving them off. Additionally, using salicylic acid plasters hinders the development of corns for longer and causes less pain. Lastly, it is the more cost-effective option. Salicylic acid corn plasters are commonly sold in drugstores. They're thick stickers that you apply right on top of your problematic corns. Another even cheaper alternative is to buy 40% salicylic acid in cream form and apply it directly on your corns using an earbud. Avoid walking around until it fully absorbs into your thickened skin. Over time, the corns should just disappear. How to get rid of corns on toes shouldn't be dangerous or painful. It doesn't have to involve a scalpel unless you've already tried less invasive options with no success. You can also try to avoid them entirely by using shoes that don't exert so much pressure or friction, and also doing a foot scrub once a week. By following the steps described here, you can get rid of your corns for good, and also avoid getting them in the first place. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.